In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable colorblind friendly mode in Trello. If you or someone on your team has difficulty distinguishing between certain colors, this accessibility feature can make a huge difference in how clearly you see labels and organize your boards. Trello includes a built-in colorblind friendly option that adds patterns to labels, making them easier to identify at a glance. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your main boards page, where you can see all of your personal and team boards. This is your central dashboard where everything begins. Now for step 2, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. This is usually your profile photo or your initials inside a small circle. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account. From this drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your Trello account settings page, where you can manage preferences related to your profile, notifications, and accessibility options. The settings area is where Trello keeps all personal configuration controls, so anytime you want to customize your experience, this is where you'll go. Once you're inside the settings page, scroll down until you find the accessibility section. Trello keeps accessibility features grouped together to make them easy to find. Under this section, you'll see an option labeled Enable Colorblind Friendly Mode. Next to it, there will be a checkbox. To activate Colorblind Friendly Mode, simply click the checkbox. As soon as you enable it, Trello will automatically apply the change across your account. You don't need to save manually, and you don't need to refresh the page. The update happens instantly. So what exactly changes when you turn this on? Normally, Trello labels rely only on color to differentiate categories, like red, green, yellow, blue, and so on. When colorblind friendly mode is enabled, Trello adds distinct patterns to each label color. For example, one label might show diagonal stripes, another might display vertical lines, and another could show a dotted pattern. These patterns make it much easier to distinguish between labels, even if certain colors look similar. This is especially useful if you manage multiple projects and rely heavily on labels for organization. It also makes your boards more inclusive for team members who may have color vision deficiencies. Accessibility improvements like this can significantly improve collaboration and reduce mistakes caused by misinterpreting label colors. If you ever want to turn the feature off, simply return to your profile icon, go back into Settings, scroll to Accessibility, and uncheck the same box. You can toggle it on or off at any time depending on your needs. And that's it. That's how you enable colorblind friendly mode in Trello. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in usability and clarity. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.